knowing how to write a song is really important because then it comes out actually quite nice. It's a skill that I will take on for later years of my life. I like writing a song, especially where there's a message that you can pass on to other people. You are the cause, you are the cause, you are the cause. I will remember the fun time with working with all my new friends.
In this workshop, the biggest thing I probably learned about songwriting is to just let it flow, because I've been thinking a lot on my songs and I want to write something down if it's perfect, but I've learned not to do that and just write down what I'm thinking or what I'm feeling. And there's amazing teachers and everyone's kind, you make new friends, you learn new things and you just have fun. I don't think you need to know how to write songs before you come, because you learn everything here. The other side is a place to go when you're feeling down, when you're trapped or alone. We can play all day and we won't have to stop. No, we won't have to stop. No, we won't have to stop. We have all written 14 songs together in 3 days.
Maybe you should learn to let the beat take you away. Because this has been my favourite song that I've ever actually wrote. My favourite thing to do at this workshop is to write songs with other people and share them all and see what their reactions are and what they say about the song.
I like just writing your own songs. You can express songs into the page, vomit it out, and we play lots of little fun games. I kind of feel good because I actually kind of like my second song. Because it was my first time, I was pretty nervous, but then when you get there, they are actually very nice, supportive, they never laugh. You have lots of fun.